dear children, welcome to our today's class. It's me, I am your teacher Jamshna. How are you today? I hope you all are safe and fine at your home. Okay dear children, now I will show you how to hold the pencil. Holding pencil. Hold the pencil firmly with the index finger and thumb finger with the middle finger, giving support to the pencil like this. The index finger and side of palm, this is the palm, should rest on the sheet of paper like this. Okay, then I will introduce how to sitting. Your sitting posture. The child should be seated comfortably and straight, suitable to his or her level. Next, dear children, please arrange your light position. Please ensure that light is coming from your left end if you are a right-handed, and from right side if you are a left-handed. From the top. Dear children, now we are start our writing. All letters should slant forward, right and evenly. The gap between, you please give the gap in two letters, between the two letters. First please look here. Now we are writing the middle area letters. Write the heading first. Middle area letters. Please note the date and day. Then start from here. We need only, these are 4 lines. We have 4 lines, but now we need only 2 lines, 2 middle lines, blue and blue lines. These are the middle lines. Then start from the second blue line. Put your pencil, second blue line. Then you please make on slant line, short slant line, touch the first blue line. Then don't leave your pencil, come umbrella. Then come back again. Then close the umbrella. Then come down. Stop, slanting line and stop. This is a way to write letter A. A. A letter name, A letter sound, A. Next, please give the space. Give 1 finger space. Please put your finger, then give 1 finger space. Then write the next middle area letter. Start from the second blue line. Then put slanting line, umbrella line. Then come back again, then like this, slanting line, stop. This is way to write the letter K. K. C sound, letter name C, the sound K. Next again, please give 1 finger space. Then start from here. Then put your pencil second blue line. Again slanting line, touch the blue line. Then don't write umbrella, you please make the left side umbrella like this. Then anti-clockwise curve, then slant. This is a way to write letter A. A. A letter name E. A letter name E. Next letter slanting line, then standing line, then on small curve, stop. Then put 1 dot. This is the letter way to write E. E letter name I. I. E letter name I. Next our letter, touch your blue line, second line, then slanting line, then make umbrella, stand. Again go back straight line, then on more curve umbrella, again go back, then down umbrella, then on small curve, stop. This is way to write the letter letter name M, mango. Then again give space. You finish here, you start the next line. Start from the second blue line. Put your pencil here. Then make the slanting line, umbrella line, stand line, come down. Go back the straight same line. Then umbrella, come down, stop the small curve, stop. This is a way to write the in, N letter sound, N. Then same as slanting line, umbrella line, come back, then close like this. Again turn your pencil above the line, then put on small curve. This is way to write O, O, O. Then next letter, slanting line, touch the blue line, then turn your pencil left side, then sleeping line, then write the anti-clockwise curve like this. This is the letter way to write letter name R. Next again give space, then write the next letter, slanting line, then turn your pencil left side, then umbrella line, then small anti-clockwise curve, then clockwise curve, then small curve like this. This is the way to write. Next letter, you please listen, slanting line, then come down the standing line, umbrella line, come down like this. This is the letter sound A. Letter name U. Then finish my space here, then start from the next pay line. Again start from your pencil second blue line, put here, then write slanting, draw on slanting line, then come down slant, up slant, then small umbrella. This is the letter B. Then again give one finger space here, then write next letter, next up middle area letter, slanting line, come down, then put umbrella, again one more umbrella, then on small curve. This is letter V. Watermelon, W sound. Next again give one finger space, then write the next letter, slanting line, clockwise curve, stop. Leave your pencil, again put here clockwise curve, then write the slant, stop. Then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 letters will make the middle area cursive letters. You please write and say the phonic sound of the letter name, letter sound. Then repeat, write and more time, copy and write same as your notebook. Next I will teach you lower area letters. Now finish our class. Please save as, copy and write your notebook. Thank you.